Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Lainey. Today we're doing something that I don't think I did last year because I was literally like 9 months pregnant. I just thought it would be too funny to do back to school outfits 8 months pregnant. I am not pregnant, there's just a baby in the other room. So we're gonna do back to school outfits. Before we get into this video though, I want to say thank you so much to Monica Venator for sponsoring. All my jewelry I am wearing today is from them, and if you guys watch my videos, you've probably seen me wearing this bracelet and some of the earrings I'm wearing today already because I love them and I haven't been taking it off. I wanted to take a second and really highlight Monica Venator's pieces. Pieces are made out of 100% recycled sterling silver and an 18 karat gold vermeil with ethically sourced gemstones, diamonds, and pearls. All packaging is made from recycled materials and is recyclable. Monica Venator has a repair and rewear program to prolong the life of pieces so you wear more and buy less. Use the link in the description box to shop all the pieces that I'm wearing in this video and have been wearing in my past couple videos, and you can use my code to get 20% off your purchase. Thank you again to Monica Venator for sponsoring this video. Let's get into my outfits. Okay, let's just get into it. I am gonna be very casual because I want to be realistic, but like still looking cute. Things you will actually put on to wear to school. I went to Grand Valley, which is kind of a smaller school in Michigan, and everyone wore athleisure every day, and honestly I did too until like my senior year when I just started having some confidence. I'm gonna show what I would have worn then that, you know, still like got compliments, got people's attention. I think it attracted my friends because especially if you're a freshman in college, sometimes clothing can say a lot about you as like a first impression. Just like, where do you want to sit? Who do you want to sit by? Make sure it's things that would attract people you want. Let's do it. I would wear a bra. Let's start with something very basic. We're gonna do a t-shirt and jeans, but let's just show you how you make it a little bit cuter. I recently did a video wearing versus styling your outfits, and I think that these like super casual looks, so you have a lot to do with actually styling them. That's why I wanted to show this jewelry in this video, because having jewelry, I wore jewelry every single day all throughout college, really can spice up an outfit without doing much. These jeans just got out of the wash, so they're like tighter than I like them. So I feel like with this outfit, it's just super cute and casual. We obviously spiced up just like the jeans and a t-shirt with a graphic tee. We could do sunglasses because I used to wear sunglasses all the time, like walking from class to class. And then I also think I want to do like a scrunchie instead of a claw clip because it'll just show that I am a fashion girly. We'll do a little brown scrunchie so it's not too aggressive. One sec, I think that baby's really relatable. Okay, so I think sunglasses, little scrunchie. It's super cute, like fashionable, but still just a take on jeans and a t-shirt. This t-shirt I just cut the neckline off. I love it. I don't know if I necessarily would wear a shirt that says I hate my computer, all my enemies are inside of it. Maybe it would attract the right people. Maybe a more welcoming shirt. Also sneakers or just like comfy shoes are normally the way to go. In college you're walking a ton. So here's outfit number one. This one's like super casual. I feel like the earrings and jewelry just really spice it up. My mirror sucks. I need a floor length mirror. I'm like using a half length mirror. Let's do another like a little bit more elevated. If you want to look a little bit more dressy for school, I used to wear pajamas, so this was dressy for me, but let's spice it up. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little sailboats. Do we keep? I like the scrunchie. Okay. So I think with all of these, I'd, have my backpack or tote bag. I think I have a tote. Sorry, I can't cosplay very well as a college student. Okay, so now, can you even see my shoes? This little baggy t-shirt I got off of Whatnot. It's the brand MEQ. I don't know what that means. But I feel like it's a nice white t-shirt, but it's a little bit more elevated just because it's slouchy and comfortable. If you only have crop tops, you gotta get longer tops for college. I swear you will appreciate it, whether you're like going to work or just wanna look a little bit more like an adult. Longer tops. This one's not even long. It just like beats my jeans. And then I swapped out the sneakers for a pair of loafers. My loafers are super, super comfy, so I could wear them and walk all around. Scrunchy, sunnies, you look so chic and again, a little bit more put together. Let's dress it down again. It's like, this would be so fancy for me. Here's another very casual outfit, same little baggy t-shirt. These look like boxers, but they're actually little vintage Nike gingham shorts. And then I've got my Fry boots on. If you're a freshman in college, or honestly, any year in college, because you're gonna have classes with so many different people. It's not like high school where you basically know everyone if you went to a smaller high school. This is your time to experiment, and you can actually like dress a little bit different than you did in high school. So in high school, I would never wear Fry boots like this. Like everyone would be like, what the heck are you wearing? Because it was a smaller school. But that first week of classes, even the first couple weeks, experiment. We wear something a little bit more out there, because kind of setting the tone for how you dress and who you are for the rest of the semester. And then if you come to class in these boots, no one's gonna think twice about it. This is how my brain works, because I'm pretty shy. Most people would not have a problem wearing something like this, but I'm just telling you, this is how my brain works. But if that first week you wear something like this, it's just like normal. So you can dress a little bit more crazy. I love this outfit though. Again, super comfortable. We got pockets. It's good for the first few months where it's pretty warm outside. And then we could even throw on a cardigan. If you just want to look, again, a little bit more put together, but super, super comfy. You guys know, if you watch my channel, this little cardigan is from Stussy, and it is seriously so comfortable. It's basically like a blanket. It gets pretty cold in the classrooms, at least for us. Like in the summer, they keep it freezing. I remember, so keeping like something, a sweater, a crew neck in your bag. So there we go. Cute. Let's keep going. Now we've got, again, a bit more of a sporty look. Little Adidas track pants. Little Adidas track pants. You can't go wrong with these. So comfortable, like still lightweight, but if you want to be covered in the summertime. I got these Doc Martens. I think they're Carlton or Carlson, I can't remember. They're super, super comfortable, amazing for walking, and just something a bit different than a sneaker, but still really casual, which I like Birkenstocks, anything like that. So cute. And then this is a peachy dun top. It's part of the Cindy set. It comes with matching shorts. I don't know if I would wear the shorts to school, because again, just for class, I like to be a bit more covered, or I did like to be a bit more covered. So yeah, but I think it spices up just the Adidas track pants, and bringing these to school would be such a good find, because they're just such a good thing to have, because you can dress it a bit more fun like this. But then also, if you're really lazy, just throw your crew neck on, and they still look a bit more chic, to me at least, than a jogger. I don't know, like this is such a common outfit for me. I like how this looks too. So this is just an Aritzia crew neck. I think it's like the boyfriend fit. It's super, super baggy, which I love because it's so cozy. Literally so easy. Something I would always forget in college, because you're not allowed to wear hats in high school. At least my high school. So wearing a hat in college can be so nice if maybe you just didn't have time to wash your hair last night, do your hair, you're tired. Super cute look. Like this, I know is so casual, but for some reason it looks so good. This is an actual outfit besides the shoes. What tennis shoes did I wear in college? I don't remember. Oh, I had Air Jordans I'd wear every day in college, so that's what I would have worn with these. These are actually Izod Catholic schoolboy pants, private school pants. There's no private schools by me. They're all Catholic schools. I don't think that's normal at all. Okay, but these are like private schoolboy pants. Then again, just the big crew neck, add the baseball cap, super casual. If you want to be super incognito, you had a fun night the night before, add sunglasses. Literally so chic. Super, super incognito, because now it's socially acceptable. Put a mask on. That wasn't a thing when I was in college until like the last week before we all got kicked out. Yeah, super cute. We can like spice up these pants a little bit too. I love these style trousers though. I like this style trouser. They're a lot more casual than like the classic trouser with a pleat in the front. These are basically like Dickies, and they're so comfortable to me. So yeah, let's spice these up. We'll take the hat off. Now that I ruined my hair. It's a cute outfit as is. I don't know why, I just thought adding a little bit more of a girly touch to the track pants would be cute. It's pretty cute. Just another way to wear them, I guess. I'm so used to like college for me was mostly cold weather, so it's hard to think of warmer weather outfits. It's cute, super basic, but super cute. Just like a pop of color can go a long way in a wardrobe. Okay, maybe this feels a little bit out of one's comfort zone, but I'm so for pajama pants. IRL, if you watch my channel. You just gotta wear them. You just gotta style them. You can't just wear them. So these pajama pants are from Speltham. Speltham London. Little red stripes, black sambas, crew neck, sunnies. If you're gonna wear PJ pants like this, you've got to wear your hair up. I don't make the rules, but I do make the rules. It makes them feel way less like pajamas. So another super, super comfy outfit. Pair it with a t-shirt instead of a crew neck if you're in a warmer climate. Like, I'm sorry, I always reach for Sambas, but I'm also not sorry because they're just so versatile. My black Sambas, they're basically all I wear. Okay, I never had a pair of darker wash jeans like this in college, but I've learned to really, really like them. And honestly, graphic tees, you cannot go wrong with a graphic tee. You can dress it up, dress it down, cut off the collar, make it slouchy, have stylized with a pair of sunglasses. It changes everything. I know when you go to class, you push them up, but even that's cute. Okay, these are from Uniqlo. I sized up probably 2 or 3 sizes, so they would fit me right after pregnancy, but also they fit me low-waisted now, and before they're high-waisted and they're meant to be high-waisted. Black Sambas, and then this is a little shirt I got off Whatnot. Just a vintage tee. I like the pop of color with a super dark wash indigo jean. This was something I wore, I'm pretty sure. No, I don't think I had this in college. That's so surprising. How did I survive without this? This is an Izod sweater. Izod is one of my favorite brands to thrift. It's just a cable knit sweater. They have really similar ones on Aritzia for like way too much. And I think this is cute with like your collar popping through. Just an all baggy fit is like my favorite in college. Sunglasses spice things up. Hair up if you're gonna wear it all baggy. I can't wait to wear clothes like this again because I haven't been able to wear baggy clothes in like 2 years because my clothes haven't fit baggy. I had a giant 25-pound bowling ball under my shirt last winter, and then I was just still a mess right after giving birth. So now, like, to have this fall and be able to wear these clothes, I'm so happy. I love baggy clothes. With your hair up. Okay, let's keep going. This is something I talked about in an older video. Sometimes I watch my old videos to get inspo because I forget what I've said and what I think. If you're trying to like put an outfit together, find a hero piece. So when I was going to put this outfit on, I knew I wanted to style around these baggy jeans, and then it was easier for me to pick my shoes and pick my top. Don't just like go into everything blind. Be like, I want to style this sweater and then go around it. Especially if you have like one piece that's more of a statement piece, it's easier to work around that than something that's a bit more basic. Like this sweater works with everything. So it's a bit harder to like style around the sweater. If that makes sense. It feels weird doing a college outfits video. I'm really not that old. I'm 24. So a camel pant can be really fun. These are Realtree. If you're looking for a nice pair of camo pants that aren't like Insta-Baddie camo, these are more like a hunting camo than like an army camo. You know what I mean. So I want to pair them with these little blue ballet flats. I know I wouldn't wear this in college. That's so cute, isn't it? You can't see. I have an ingrown toenail and it hurts so bad. Shut up, like I love this outfit. I have to show you guys this outfit. Because I want you to see how toned down I'm being because in college you just, I don't know. It's how I dressed in college, okay? Like this outfit together, my toenail hurts so bad. It's so stinking cute. I mean, use this as inspo if you want to. I love it. I didn't like these camo pants. I almost sold them on a Whatnot show. So I'm happy I didn't. But we're gonna be normal. I think I wanna do them with my Doc Martens. And then probably just more of a basic shirt. I think I might even go back to that white baggy t-shirt. I love this shirt. I'm gonna try and find one similar for you guys. I'm gonna do a whole video on college wardrobe essentials with links because I feel like that could be really helpful. It's kind of weird. I think I like it. It's like a bit dressy, a little bit more sophisticated. You could totally just do a big t-shirt with this, which I'll also show. But I think that this is fun. Sunglasses. Blowing raspberries because I'm used to talking to a baby. Cute. Also, what goes with this? Cobalt blue goes with so much. I think it's my favorite color. I always thought pink was my favorite color, or I always thought green was my favorite color. I guess I don't have a favorite, but blue's my favorite color. Blue. Cute. Ah! Doc Martens, Realtree, Stussy, Whatnot, Monica Venator, Vela sunglasses. Yeah, just like get a bunch of cheapy sunglasses. They're nice sunglasses if that's what you're into, but they will literally spice up your style so much. Oh yeah, let's do these pants, but a bit more sporty. And I only have a few more looks, I think. I think we're gonna do like a big t-shirt. Sambas. Let's like pull my hair a little bit more. Super casual, but again, so comfy. Vintage Sambas, Realtree. And the jewelry just makes it a bit more feminine because it is a very androgynous outfit. But I love it. so comfy, and it's just like, this is just as comfortable more comfortable than wearing leggings. I hate leggings. It's just as comfy though as like a pair of joggers or your Nike Adidas track pants, whatever track pants, but it's a little bit more elevated. Same with all these outfits though, honestly. They're so stinking comfortable. Like, you do not feel out of place. You can be ready to engage with the teacher, raise your hand, put in the work. Because that is what college is about. It is about school. I feel so funny doing this video now. But it's also about making friends and finding yourself. And it's your life, and do whatever you want with it. If you want to dress like this in college, if you want to dress like a rodeo clown in college, I'm not one to judge you. Do whatever you want. Okay. The way I just sat there and like stared at nothing because I was trying to think of what I'm doing with my life. I went to college, and this is what I'm doing as a job. Okay. Something that was not cool when I was in college were capris. Debatably cool now, but I like them, so let's style a pair of capris. I feel like this one is a little bit more polarizing as well. Cute! This little jumpsuit, I think I would be comfortable in. It is from Aritzia. I got it on sale. I like the capri length more than the short length. I know that a lot of people won't like it, but if everybody likes your outfit, you're boring. I just paired it with my Sambas, and yeah, it's super cute. You could easily throw your crew neck over this as well. And it's still like the capris look, but with something a bit more trendy that is the jumpsuit. There's just the look, but like with capris. And then I did a high pony with a scrunchie. Sunglasses makes everything cuter per usual, and that's it. So my camera's overheating, so that means it's time to go. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys want to see more college outfits, maybe for the winter time, let me know, because these are pretty different than like my usual outfits. We're just doing a lot more cash and normal, and just more so stuff that I wear day to day. Thank you again to Monica Venator for sponsoring this video. Remember to check out that link in the description box. I love you guys the absolute most, and I'll see you in a few days. Bye.